Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies with royal icing. First, let's prepare our cookie dough. Ensure all your ingredients are at room temperature for best results. After mixing, chill the dough for at least 1 hour. This prevents spreading. Roll your dough evenly to about 1/4 inch thick, then cut out your shapes. Bake until the edges are just golden, then let them cool completely before decorating. Now, let's create the royal icing. Meringue powder is key for a stable, quick-drying icing. Begin by mixing the powder, powdered sugar, and water on low speed to avoid a sugar cloud. Gradually increase speed until stiff peaks form. This is your outlining consistency. For flooding, slowly add small amounts of water until the icing flows smoothly, but still holds its shape for about 10 seconds. With your icing ready, it's time to decorate. Use the stiffer icing to create a border around your cookie shapes. This acts as a dam for the thinner, flooding icing. Carefully fill the outlined area with the flooding consistency, using a scribe tool to spread it evenly and pop any air bubbles. Let each layer dry completely, ideally for several hours, before adding any intricate details or additional colors. The final step is crucial for perfect royal icing cookies: drying. Allow your decorated cookies to air dry for a minimum of 8 hours, or even overnight, to ensure the icing hardens completely. This prevents smudging and allows for safe stacking. Once fully dry, store your beautiful creations in an airtight container at room temperature. Now, you can enjoy your delicious and artfully decorated cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.